Singapore has confirmed 2 new cases of COVID-19. One is linked to the local cluster at Wizlearn Technologies.
He's a 33-year-old Singaporean with no recent travel history to affected countries or regions. He's warded in an isolation room at the National Centre for Infectious Diseases.
The other new case is a 70-year-old Singaporean man who had also not travelled to any places affected by the virus. He lives at Everton Park and has gone to work at Fishmart Sakuraya at West Coast Road before being admitted to hospital. He did not handle food or serve customers. The man is currently warded in an isolation room at Singapore General Hospital.
Contact tracing is underway to establish links with previous cases. With the 2 new infections, there are now 110 confirmed cases here, and the number of those discharged unchanged at 78.